paano mo nababalance yung pagiging magaling sa mathematics at sa sports?
Well, malaking bagay ang genes. So, genius kasi ang mom ko at si daddy naman super galing sa sports. So, I have them to thank. But of course, since ako slow starter, I wasn't very smart when I was young and I wasn't great in karate as well. Pero just pushing every day and really deciding that I want to do this and I want to succeed. So, because of that decision and my choice to show up every day, nagawa ko naman even though matagal yung process.
Speaking of your dad, reaction lang, he was awarded recently ng PBA at ikaw yung tumanggap. Your thoughts lang na until now, grabe yung recognition at yung pagbibigay pugay kay sir.
Ako, he inspires me so much. It shows na he really was amazing and grabe yung impact niya to the country. He's very well loved by the fans. Wala siyang haters, love na love siya, and it's also a testament to how he is as a person. So idol ko siya not only in sports, ayoko lang makuha yung kagalingan niya sa sports, yung mga medals and all, but also I want to be like him as a person kasi napakabuti niyang tao and that's just what I strive to be.